Okay, in this video I'm going to do problem 6, and there's an A and B part. So 6A says, find all points on the unit circle which satisfy the following and list the quadrant where they reside. Okay, so I've got to do a couple of things there. Okay, so the first thing we have to do for A is figure out what Y is. I know that the X is going to be a negative 9/5, and I also know that it's on the unit circle. So that means that negative 9/15 squared plus some y squared has to equal 1 squared. Negative 9/15 squared is a positive 81 2/25 plus y squared. I'm going to put this in 2/25 as well. Okay, so do that subtraction. So 225 over 225 minus 81 over 225, and that's going to give me 144 over 225. So therefore, if y squared equals 144 over 225, which is what I was looking for, so let me make this clearer. Let me make this equal to y squared so that you see what I did. Then that means that y has to be plus and minus 12 over 15. So I need this piece first. So now I know that x is negative 9/15 and y can be positive 12/15, but when x is negative 9/15, y can also be negative 12/15. Okay, they also asked me to list the quadrant where this is true. So where are x's negative? So here's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Here is where x's are negative. Therefore, these two values I just came up with here and here must be in either quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. Okay, and that answers that question. So let's go on, and we're going to answer the B part of this question. So let me just get rid of some of this so it's not in our way. Okay, and let's go for B. Same general idea. I need to figure out, I know that y is negative 4 radical 7 over 11, and now my question is, well then what is x? So do the same thing. They're on a unit circle. So x squared plus negative 4 root 7 over 11 squared has to equal 1. So x squared plus, okay, square your negative 4 and you get a 16, positive 16. Square root 7 and you get a 7, and then square 11 and you get a 121. Okay, so I know I'm going to be doing this 121 over 121. Okay, in your calculator or in your head, do 16 times 7, and you should get 112. Okay, so this is 112 over 121. So now my goal is to get x by itself. So x squared is going to be 121 minus 112 over 121. So 121 minus 112 is going to give me 9. 9 over 121 is x squared. But remember, I'm not looking for x squared, I'm looking for x. So x is going to be plus and minus 3 over 11. And that's what I need. Okay, so that means that my coordinate pairs can be 3 over 11, negative 4 root 7 over 11, or negative 3 over 11 and negative 4 root 7 over 11. Okay, so what quadrants does this happen in? So in this situation, y is always negative. So the quadrants where y is negative are going to be the lower quadrants down below. Okay, because, let me just go like this for a second, because I should have done this. This is where y is negative. So therefore, the quadrants that these values I just identified would be located in are going to be quadrants 3 and quadrants 4, because that's where I have a negative y all the time. Okay, so that ends this video.